Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about enabling extensions to work or load in incognito mode on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your browser and select the three-dotted menu icon up at the top right. And then you want to go down and select Extensions and then select Manage Extensions, and then select the Details button, and there should be an option that says Allow in Incognito. Go ahead and toggle that's the right to enable it, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.